Hi friends, do you want to learn how ChatGPT can drastically change your life? Today, I will reveal all the secrets of this powerful tool. Stay with us, because at the end of the video, you'll get unique tips that you won't find anywhere else. Ready? Let's go. To start, go to the website chatopenai.com and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address or sign up using Google or Microsoft. Confirm your account by following the instructions in the email. After confirming your account, you will be taken to the ChatGPT main page. Here, you will see several options. The free version, ChatGPT 3.5, is available to everyone, and that is what we will focus on today. On the left side of the screen, you will find a list of chats. Click on New Chat to start a new conversation. Each new chat remembers the context of previous messages, which makes interacting with ChatGPT very convenient. It's important to remember that the data ChatGPT is trained on is only up to September 2021. This means it won't be able to answer questions about current events. Also, not all answers may be completely accurate, so always verify the information. Now let's move on to the different types of commands you can use with ChatGPT. We'll start with the simplest ones, requesting facts and details. For example, you can ask, "Who founded Apple?" ChatGPT will respond, "The co-founders of Apple are Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne." This is similar to a Google search, but ChatGPT provides the answer in a conversational format, which is much more convenient. Let's try another example. "Who wrote the book To Kill a Mockingbird?" ChatGPT will answer, "The book was written by Harper Lee." See how simple and fast that is? Let's move on to the next type of command, requesting recommendations. Create a new chat and ask, for example, "Recommend 5 books on self-development." ChatGPT will suggest several great books for you to read. If you don't like the answer, click Regenerate Response to get a new one. ChatGPT can offer different options so you can choose the best one for you. Now, let's look at how ChatGPT can help with text translation. It's like Google Translate, but better because it takes context into account. For example, if you are in Spain and want to know what dishes are popular in a restaurant, you can ask, "I'm currently in a restaurant in Spain. I want to ask the waiter what the 3 most popular dishes are. Can you translate this for me?" ChatGPT will not only translate the text, but also suggest how to pronounce it. Another useful type of command is comparing different things. For example, what are the differences between cats and dogs as pets? ChatGPT will provide a detailed comparison across various aspects. If the answer is too long, you can ask to rewrite it in 200 words and make it understandable for a 5th grader. ChatGPT will handle this with ease. Now let's move on to creative writing. ChatGPT can write a short story, poem, song, or even a script for you. Let's try to write a short story about a caterpillar that fell from a tree, lost its family, but was later reunited. ChatGPT will create an engaging story that you will definitely enjoy. If you want the story to be rewritten as a song, just say, "Rewrite this story as a song." ChatGPT will create song lyrics with verses and choruses. Similarly, you can ask to write a poem or even a haiku. ChatGPT can adapt the text to any of your requests. Another useful type of command is idea generation. For example, if you are planning a party and want to get ideas for activities, you can ask, "I am throwing a party for 20 friends. What can we do outdoors for $50 per person?" ChatGPT will suggest several options, such as a picnic in the park, a bike ride, or an outdoor movie night. Choose what you like. If you like the idea of a picnic, you can ask ChatGPT to give you a step-by-step guide for organizing it. Say, "Expand on the idea of a picnic in the park and provide a step-by-step guide." ChatGPT will give you all the necessary steps, from choosing a location to selecting food and entertainment. Another useful type of command is list creation. For example, "I want to lose weight. Give me a list of 10 healthy foods." ChatGPT will provide a list of healthy foods to help you achieve your goal. If you forgot to mention that you are vegan, you can clarify, and ChatGPT will suggest another list. For example, "I am vegan. What 10 healthy foods would you recommend?" ChatGPT also excels at creating lists of pros and cons. For example, What are the pros and cons of a traditional sauna and an infrared sauna? ChatGPT will provide a detailed comparison, highlighting the advantages and disadvantages of each option. This will help you make an informed decision. Another great feature of ChatGPT is the ability to get feedback on your text. For example, if you have written an article and want to know what is good about it and what can be improved, you can insert the text and ask ChatGPT for feedback. Say, "Give feedback on this text. What is good about it and what can be improved?" ChatGPT will analyze the text and provide you with useful suggestions. You can also ask to rewrite the text or analyze your writing style. For example, rewrite this text to make it more concise, or analyze my writing style. ChatGPT can be used for role-playing scenarios. For example, if you are preparing for a job interview, you can say, "You are interviewing me for a job at Microsoft. Conduct a mock interview with me." ChatGPT will ask you several questions that you can answer. This is a great practice for preparing for a real interview. You can also use ChatGPT for language learning. For example, "I want to learn French. Let's practice a conversation." ChatGPT will help you learn new phrases and improve your conversational skills. Another useful feature of ChatGPT is explaining various concepts. For example, a circle has a diameter of 10 centimeters. What is its area? ChatGPT will not only provide the answer, but also explain the steps to solve it. If the explanation seems too complex, you can ask to make it simpler. For example, "Explain this for a fifth grader." ChatGPT will adapt the explanation to your level of understanding. ChatGPT can also provide editing recommendations for your text. For example, "I wrote an essay. What commands can I use to edit it?" ChatGPT will suggest several commands to help you improve the text, make it more concise, or change the style. Finally, you can use ChatGPT as a mentor. For example, "I am 22 years old, just graduated from college, and want to start a business with $1,000. I love photography, tutoring, and web development. Give me 5 business ideas and suggest names." ChatGPT will provide several business ideas and name suggestions to help you get started. You can also ask ChatGPT for advice on growing your business. For example, "How do I start a photography business?" ChatGPT will provide a step-by-step guide to help you with this venture. Now that you have learned about the various commands and features of ChatGPT, let's summarize. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can assist you in various aspects of life, whether it's work, study, or personal projects. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot about how to use ChatGPT. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment. See you next time.